Today we're going to remove the lock on a tailgate of a Ford F150. What happened is I had some damage done to my tailgate, so I had to get a new one. I want to change the lock because then my key will fit it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove these 8 bolts, or 2, 4, 6, and 8. And to remove these, we're going to use this 27 size torque bit driver to remove them. So you just go over and remove each one of the 8. And I've already done that, so you'll just go through and remove all of them. And once you do that, then you go ahead and lift the metal plate off. So let me get these off. And then you'll just go ahead and lift the metal plate off. And underneath that you'll see the locking mechanism. And then you'll need a flathead screwdriver and just pop these 2 clips off. And that will allow you to remove the rods. So you just remove those clips and then kind of pull the rods out and move those out of the way. You'll then use a 10mm socket wrench to remove these 2 bolts. We'll just go ahead and remove those. One here and then one over here. You can then just go ahead and slide the handle out, and there you have your handle. Alright, so then you need to remove the lock, and to do that you just need to remove this pin. Just pull out the one side. And then you have your lock. Now I'm going to be switching out the locks. So taking this one out here, and I'll just slide this one in and then replace the pin. I'll just use the same one that I had on this one. Then you just need to go ahead and put the pin back in. You just slide that in and then just push them in. And then you should be good to go. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to slide your handle back in. So you just insert it and slide it back into place. And then you're going to line up your bolts with, line these back up and then you'll just go ahead and put your bolts back on. So you just go ahead and secure those bolts. Make sure you get it nice and tight. So again, you just go ahead and get them nice and tight. Now and then you're going to replace or put these rods back on. And where you just lift up the tab, push them down in, and then push the tab in. So you'll push the rod down and then push the tab. Pretty simple. And now we've gone ahead and changed out the lock. Before we put the plate back on and the plastic back on, we're just going to close it up and make sure the handle works okay. So before you put that metal plate back on, you want to close it up. Just make sure everything's working okay. And you can see, and let's go ahead and try the lock and make sure that's working. So now we've got the lock working, everything seems to be working fine. And there we go. So we've changed the lock, now we can lock it back up. Now you'll just go ahead and remember to put your the steel plate back on. Plastic cover and the steel plate. So you put your cover on, just do the reverse order. You'll put your cover on, and then you'll put in the 2 bolts. Make sure you got it lined up correctly. And then you'll just go ahead and put your back plate back on. Make sure your holes are lined up, and then just put your bolts back in. And there you have it. Make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs, and have a great day.